Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2023 GMC 1500 AT4X. And moving on to the interior with keyless entry, memory seats, power windows and door locks, a Bose sound system, heated and cooled front seats. This truck has front collision alert, lane keep assist, heads-up display, navigation of course, and a sunroof. This 2023 AT4X has the 6.2 liter paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission and of course 4-wheel drive and those great Multimatic shocks. Lots of space in the rear passenger compartment with heated seats on the outboard positions, a couple of USB ports, and also the nice molded mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2023 GMC 1500 AT4X, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.